Ooh, cool! How to create a new paper airplane. On this tutorial, I will continue to develop a new paper airplane. So, as you know, the last video we created new paper airplanes, but it did not fly very well. So today we will start from the beginning, from the designs we had before, and we continue to develop it. Now, I will continue to make this spiral. First step, I fold the paper in half. Unfold the paper. Now, start from the top edge and fold to the bottom edge to create the second center crease. Next, unfold the paper. Then start from the edge and fold to the center crease. And fold this part down one more time. Next, turn the paper this way. Now start from the top here, fold to the center crease, and repeat the same fold for this side. And then I will turn the paper this way and insert this piece of paper into the pocket here. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. After you finish this part of the paper, just leave it right here, and then you should have a piece of paper like this. This piece of paper is about 9 inches, and I want to have it's longer than the spiral just a bit, and it looks just fine. And the width of this is like 3 inches as well, so I will use this piece of paper. And next, I will fold this piece of paper in half. I put the cutter over here. I'm always over here. First, I fold this piece of paper in half. And then I use a cutter and cut it. You can use scissors if you don't have a cutter like I have here, and I'll just trim it in half. And later I will fold this part of the paper into the center crease to make the wing strong. And I'll repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Next, I fold the tail in half, and I take the head of the paper airplane. This is basically the halfway to fold the spiral. Now I will insert into the head. And next step, I fold the paper in half. Later, I fold this part of the paper down to create the wings, and I will use this edge here as my reference. You can fold higher than this edge a little bit, it is optional. And repeat the same fold for the opposite side. And next, I will fold this part of the wings up to create the stabilizers. Match this edge to the other edge. Also for the other side, fold up to create the stabilizer. And now you can unfold the wings, and here you are. This is a new paper airplane, And the paper airplane now is almost finished. You can see at the end of the wings here, I fold up a bit like this to elevate the plane when it's flying. So this is very important that you add the elevators here, and you can check it out. If the plane fly well for you, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Also, if you want to name this paper airplane, feel free to leave me a feedback on the comment section. I would select the best name for this paper airplane. And finally, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye. Yeah.